Good morning and welcome to our math warm-up. We are going to be working on number 44 today, so if you have your hard copy, feel free to pull it out now, and that way you can write some things down as you go through. If not, you can use a blank sheet of paper or follow along with me and fill things out as you go. So let's get started. Put your name on your paper. Your name should go here, first and last. Take a look at the math boxes. We have facts, addition, we're going to add 3 numbers, subtraction, might need to borrow, complete the patterns, and then rounding, and finally a word problem. So let's get started. 19 minus 10. 17 minus 9. 15 minus 7. 13 minus 8. 20 minus 10. 11 minus 3. 7 minus 5. 8 minus 2. And that brings us to a subtraction problem. We have 631 minus 364. We are looking at taking 4 from 1. We cannot do that, so we have to borrow from the 3. The 3 becomes a 2. The 1 becomes a 11. 11 minus 4 equals 7. Then you have 2 minus 6, which you can't do. The 6 becomes a 5. The 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6, and then 5 minus 3. And then bring your final answer over to these boxes. Moving on. Round to the nearest, to the greatest place value. So you have 539. The 5 is the greatest value. Ask the 3. Are you less than 5? 3 says yes, which means it stays the same. So the 5 stays the same, everything else turns to a 0. So 539 is closer to 500 than 600. 2,698. The 2 asks the 6, are you less than 5? The 6 says no. So the 2 has to go up 1, becomes 3,000. Now what you should notice is that 2,698 is closer to 3,000 than 2,000. So on a number line, it would be closer to the 3,000. And that's something we should always be thinking of as we round. You don't always have to ask the question if you can see it in a number line. So 75 to the greatest place value, you say, is it closer to 70 or 80? So 75, is it closer to 70 or 80? Some of you would fight it and say, it's in the middle. It's just as close to all of them. But when we round, we always round up if it's in the middle. So the 7 asks the 5, are you less than 5? The 5 says, no, I am 5. So 7 needs to go. It's closest to 80. You don't have to write go. Next, addition. We're adding 3 numbers, 75 plus 136 plus 24. We have 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 4, 15. Carry the 1 and then add straight down again, and bring your number over here. Next, complete the pattern. 79, 80, blank, 82. The pattern is plus 1. 79, 80, 82. What goes there? Again, complete the pattern. 436, blank, 636. Nothing changed here, but after 2 times, it went up 2 in the hundreds place. So after 1 time, it should go up 1. So plus 100 is the rule. What goes there? Hopefully you said 536. Next, Complete the pattern once more. 2,112, 2,122. Nothing changes here or here, but the 1 changed to a 2. So in the tens place, it went up 1. So we add 10. Add 10 to this number. What do you get? 2,132. You got it. The zookeeper is in charge of feeding the lion. The lion weighs 475 pounds. He eats 2 cups twice a day. How many cups will the lion eat in 7 days? Tricky question because they added this, which is not needed. So they added that just to confuse you. You don't need the 475 pounds because that doesn't matter about what he eats. He eats 2 cups twice a day. So 2 cups twice a day equals 4 cups each day. Now that you know that it's 4 cups each day, you have 7 days. So 7 days times 4 cups equals 28 cups in a week. Hopefully that was helpful for you and you got through your morning work with no problem. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Hopefully these videos are helpful. Pollen